Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if your iPhone screen looks too cold, too warm or uncomfortable for your eyes, turning on True Tone can make a big difference. In iPhone settings 2026, True Tone automatically adjusts your display's color, temperature and brightness to match the surrounding light, making everything look more natural. So in this guide I will show you step by step how to turn on True Tone on your iPhone in 2026 like a pro. So first thing first, go to settings. Okay, so this is where all display options are located. So scroll down and tap display and brightness. Okay, this section controls brightness, colors and screen behavior. So under the brightness slider you will see True Tone. Okay, so as you can see here is the option. Okay, so turn on True Tone, toggle True Tone to on, which means green. Okay, so your iPhone will now adjust white white balance automatically, match ambient lighting conditions, reduce eye strain, make colors look more natural. Changes apply instantly. So once you tap on that toggle, it changes automatically. Okay, so now understand how True Tone works. So with True Tone enabled, indoor warm light screen becomes warmer, outdoor daylight screen becomes cooler, and night lightning it becomes softer, eye-friendly tones. It works silently in the background. So thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.